Convener of Jcilps, Khomram Ratan, has asserted that instability and uncertainty in Manipur has been compounded due to overdependence on Centre for Protection of Territorial Integrity of Manipur. Khomram Ratan was speaking on the launch of an academic campaign as part of month-long 46th Realization Day, which will be organized by All Manipur Students Union, AMSU, on the theme Realize to Save the Indigenous Peoples of Manipur. Speaking in the program, advisor of UPF, Khomram Ratan stressed on this uncertainty faced by indigenous communities in Manipur due to influx of illegal immigrants. He further reinforced the idea of indigenous communities becoming minorities in its own land. On the other hand, President of AMSU, Lukram Malangba, emphasized on the observance of Realization Day and expressed concern on the threat of marginalization of indigenous communities by illegal immigrants.